cooking also. It's easier. During exercise, the amount of carbs you require is around 30 to 60 grams. Again, 30 to 60, who can give me an estimate? Katori wise, it's 1 and 1 to 2 katoris basically we are looking at, but you cannot eat it. This is during your exercise, lasting for hour and a half. After your 90 minutes, it's okay. So you begin after 30 minutes. Now, none of us, I don't know how many of you all would do it, but you remember to keep 30-minute, timer so that you can start eating. You should. That is when your glycogen stores are used up. Your morning breakfast is used up. Your glycogen stores will kick in little later, but your morning stores is used up. So begin after 30 minutes of your run. 5 to 10 grams of carbs after every 30 minutes as recovery drinks. Moderate glycemic index foods. Examples are your energy bars, bananas, oats, drinks, fresh dates, figs, fruit juice, gels. I don't know what is the general system. What do you all eat when you're running? Yeah, you cover it.
40 minutes is the energy. So that kind of fits into that. 5 minutes before the race, and then after that, every 40 minutes.
Okay. Your gels will work out well. Because you cannot, when you're running, you do not want to stop. So your gels at the same time, at the same time, yes, you have the chewing issue. So this is more. The gel will take care of the nutrition part of it, ensuring that you do not overload. So that way your gels will work. If you are not using the gel, then your energy bar. Your energy bar could be even your homemade energy bar. It doesn't have to be store-bought. Your energy bar made with nuts, a few nuts, almonds preferably. Almonds, your oats, dates, figs. Figs are very good at binding and making the energy bar, so they will work out well. All you have to do is make it into small balls and keep it wherever and just pop it in. Figs. Banana, preferably banana. Other than banana, there is a issue whether it will suit you. If you're comfortable, then you can go and buy apples and all that. For me personally, your oranges and all that citrus, depending on how your acidity status is. If you generally having burning sensation in your throat, in your upper gastrointestinal lining, I would prefer you do not have oranges when you're running, because as it is, the body is heated up. So you can do a trial and see.
For me, bananas will work. Oranges generally I prefer.
Then you can, if you're comfortable with it, nothing like it.
But is it okay on the nutrition side of that?
Vitamin C, absolutely fine, absolutely fine. From the electrolyte point of view, I would prefer bananas. Potassium, you have your, that takes care. Your bananas take care of your electrolyte. Dates is fine. Absolutely fine. Dates again, suits some, doesn't suit some. It gives, some of them, it gives them a squeezy stomach. And they want to use the loo, so wrong time to do all that, So figs, that way, it suits more or less everybody. Foods and seeds, figs and seeds should be fine. Gels is fine. Your post-exercise recovery meals. This is your replenishment of liver and muscle glycogen requires 24 to 48 hours. Ideally, within 2 days, you should be completely back to square one. Everybody has it around that. The recovery period is.
I feel very hungry beyond a certain distance. The next day of the run, I feel very hungry. I don't feel hungry the day of the run. In fact, I can't feel after a hard run.
The next day would be the ideal, because if you feel hungry the next day, I will come to it when I tell you how much you need to.
Like a replenish the system.
Yes. I will come to it as to how much you need to.
Yeah, that's the thing. And one question,
In the general interest of this group, after a race, after how much time can you drink and choose?
I will tell you next time.
That's very important.
Let's drink. You're talking about drink?
alcohol.
I would suggest put it off for a week. Put it off for a week.
What's the logic behind it?